iniwanan si Villamor. And as I said, 18 big points in that game. Robin Ronyo led them with 19. Parks only
Play zone against NU. That is the guy you should locate at all times. Villamor, he is their best shooter.
Villamor shooting around 27% from that area. As Sumang misses that one. The last year, you saw it for National U. During crunch time, as Olivares knocks down his own second triple of the game, during crunch time or down the shot clock, NU always had a tendency to go 1 and 4. Meaning
It wasn't clear in that slow-mo.
oh, defense of NU clicking. Porter all the way over Olivares.
And Porter showing his athleticism.
Yes, yes. You know, say what you say about the offense of National U. Embe has been quiet so far. Nice pass. Here comes Kobuntin. Under 2 minutes to play. Back to Embe. Uses the glass. He loves that shot. Look at the number of times.
It's not there. Sumang has not scored in this game. But other guys like Olivares and the energy and the passion defensively, very good for UE.
Ciedo and Kat Salaw. Direct Abet Ramos at the helm of this ABS-CBN Sports Live and exclusive coverage as Porter takes it. Alejandro up and away.
Now this is something that UE cannot afford to do. Turn the ball over.
That di na nga halos nakakapaglaro, ano? Porter twirls, Porter drives, gets it up and in for the bang in the bucket. Now that's an athletic drive. That's an athletic move. This one is another one on a Suzuki fast break of the game.
On the game, not on the crowd and not on the persons inside the court. Back to you, Boom and Mark.
It's a great report, Trisha, brought to you by Samson Courtside. The superlative with intent. As Javier misses here. Now, UE has to focus here, Mark, as Rosario again gives another fast break point to National University. Sometimes this can inspire a team, but sometimes it can be a distraction
And
also.
it sees something going here to Chris Javier. Not necessarily a post-up because Embe is playing him.
Olivares, who has the license to shoot, looks at the
There you
crowd
go.
for his 11th point. Avillonar taken away by Noble. Sumang nagmamadali. Humahabol si Ronyo. Sumang, wala. Sumang again on the other side. Yes! Super Sumang. Umiika-ika pa.
Mas gusto ni Roy Sumang yung
Pahirapan.
mas mahirap na tira.
It's something that he's just trying to shake off. Baka bukas masakit yan. Parks clipped. And it's like deja vu from that area earlier. The same trajectory too.
But this time it was harder. Since there was a
0 run in the last 64 seconds for UE. This is down to 4. Parks goes to Ronyo from the corner. He loves that spot.
and that was just excellent under that UE has with Mami suspended.
Alolino with 3 to shoot. Ronyo from way out!
Oh.
And he gets it to go! And they're going to call it in. Oh, that is a big one. Because that lead down to 7. But the good news for UE. Papag-usapan natin yung mga schedule para bukas mamaya. In the meantime, Noble, patient move for him. Here come the Red Warriors. Underneath to Adi Santos. Ilinabas kay Olivares. Olivares twirls, fades, puts it up and in. A good-looking shot for Ralph Olivares. And a 6-0 run to start the third quarter. Kat Salo must be happy. Cats.
Boom and Mark.
Samsung Ativ. Book 9 Lite, it's PC redefined. And the run continues. For UE, binigay pa kay Olivares, napulot ni Ronyo. Ronyo, diretso.
Another big play for Robin Ronyo.
Yes. Did not give up on the play. 45-41. Rosario out to Parks, lines up a 3, gets it to go.
And that's big.
Ronyo. No, not that time. Rosario high up for the rebound. No. Noble. Kay Sumang. Sumang thought about it. Nakita
Wow!
si Noble. And they are behind by 1.
Nagkakagulo po ang crowd ng UE dito sa Araneta. Hindi nyo kita sa TV ngayon dahil ang nakikita nyo yung
Jumao As. Drives. Tapik. Kay Javier mapupunta.
UE was terrific in that quarter. They were able to bring this lead down. Of course, the unsportsmanlike foul was unfortunate, but the moment they need their best defensive stopper against Roy Sumang.
This is his quarter. Obentin trying to create, and he does. That's his job there.
And that's what he does. When Parks is on the bench,
Yeah.
they go to Cobontin as the main point of attack.
For the team standings. Have not lost here in the second round. And they want to stay that way. Avillonar for 3. Gets it to go.
Big shot from Avillonar.
Jumao As. Noble for 3. Gets it to go. 3 big points too.
That's right. And this fourth quarter has been a Cobontin Noble show. Nice pass.
And a foul to boot. Roy Sumang. Finding the open Chris Javier underneath. 9 light, it's BC redefined. Embe. Javier asking for help. Naiwanan kasi siya. And he gets his 12th point on a rack attack. And you saw Chris Javier, as soon as Embe got the ball, asking for help.
Wala na.
The move was too quick, Mark.
Ronyo is roaming around
Yes.
here along the baseline, and he's the guy who Enyo will try to spot.
Or Embe.
Or Manuel Lembe.
And Jello Alolino seeing the floor. National U, by the way, have come from John Embe. Ronyo gets it to go. Big time 3. And then he sticks to Roy Sumang on the defensive end. Nerves of steel. Exemplifies the effort on defense by the team on this UE squad that is trying to bounce back. Final score 81-70.